Who do you think you're talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to nobody.
What did you say?
What?
I said, what did you say?
Get lost, buddy.
Shut up, mister. Yeah, shut your mouth, mister.
Lenny, where are you hiding now? Lenny! There you are, Lenny.
Lenny? Maybe you should switch to water, my friend.
Been looking all over for you, Lenny.
How many have you had, pal?
Damn it, Lenny, stop slumping off on me.
I'm Clyde. You got the wrong fella.
Lenny! You bastard! Lenny, my boy!
Do I look like a Lenny to you?
Lenny!
Lenny! What are you talking about?
Oh, Lenny!
Arthur, what are you doing?
You're a good friend to me, Arthur.
Cheers. Cheers. Not you again? Come here, drunk fool! You'll never take me alive!
You! Stop right now, you drunken fool! I said stop!
You'll never take me alive! Oh, you moron, Morgan. Oh, you moron. Not again. Oh.